welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be cleaning my car and this little thing, I don't know what it's called, like they give you the professional tools to clean your car. So I have like a gun to like spray the soap, I have like some little brushes, and then I have the power, what is it called, the
pressure washer.
The pressure washer to wash it. So I'm gonna do it by myself. And then I have a brand new vacuum, a hand tool vacuum that I bought off of Amazon, and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys and then clean the inside of my car. So let's start. I'm gonna get look at how it works. I've never done this before, so I'm like excited. So let me see. I guess I have to select free soap. This is $2. So let's see. But it says $2 to start. You think it includes everything?
You should.
Alright.
Let's see.
Let's see. Come on. 50 years later.
A few moments later.
Let's try it one more time. Okay guys, so I went and it's $2. It's $2 for 4 minutes. So we gotta do this quick. These are the last $2 I have. We're gonna actually do it before because we failed with Crimson and we didn't do it before we cleaned him outside. So now we're gonna do it before we clean the inside of the vehicle. I'm gonna take out everything that's like big and bulky out of the car. I have a beach chair that I keep in the trunk of my car and I've used it 0 times. And then this is a vacuum. I got it off of Amazon. It had like a really good rating and it was like one of the more expensive ones, like the handheld. So I'm like, has to be good. Alright. So these are what I use. I found that these are the best air fresheners for the car. It's from, I think it's from Breeze or from Glade, and it's small spaces. It works really, really, really good. This, not so much. This you put and it like goes, the smell goes away like really, really fast. This one you can actually tell, this is the only one that still has liquid in it, so I'm gonna keep it, but the other ones I'm gonna throw away. Okay, so now it is unboxing time. I'm gonna be putting the link to this product down below so you guys can get it if you like it, if you like how it works. Ooh, it is hot. All right. I like the colors. I really like those. I really hope it has batteries. Oh my God, can you imagine? All right, we're good. We're good for a little bit probably. So I'm gonna be on a time charger. I would have liked it if it was gray, but just some paperwork, so it's really easy. Look, it's built already. You don't have to attach anything, do anything. So let's start. I'm gonna start with the back of the car, and then I'll go to the front. It's really hot. Okay, so it's not really getting too deep into the crevices. Okay, so let's see how this works. Let's see if it works good. Alright guys, before I go any further, I want you guys to see one side and then the other. When I stop the camera right now, I noticed that I wasn't even at full throttle. So I'm gonna try to do this side with full throttle and we'll see the difference between not full throttle or like the average and then like super, like, I don't know, what would be the term to use for?
I guess median.
It's medium now. I'm gonna do extra. Let's see what happens.
Stop it. Get some help.
But check it out. What do you? Which side do you think looks better? I almost feel like this one. I'm also trying to get a technique down.
I think this side's a winner. That was a lot better than this one.
Okay.
But it was on high power, so yeah.
Yeah. All right.
I'm having with you, not at you, I promise.
Alright, I'm just gonna try to lid roll.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
Okay, so the vacuum died on me and now we really don't have any more coins or dollars. So I'm gonna lid roll this. There's a lot of dog hair and lint. And yeah, I guess just show you the after. It's not perfect, but I tried. Okay guys, as you can tell, morale is low. I had to stop like 5 times to get this done. So I found an old rag. I did not come prepared. I should have gotten at least some wipies or something. Okay, so I got rags in my car, some softener and water, and I'm just gonna clean it a little bit.